Saving Mamacita. Welcome back to my channel. And I have my little buddy here with me today, Mr. Prince. He really wanted to join in on the fun of the Boxycharm unboxing. Isn't this exciting? Okay, so this is the August 2020 Boxycharm. And for those of you who have been living underneath a rock and do not know anything about Boxycharm, you're in for a real treat, because this box is a subscription box that is monthly. The base box, $25 a month, and you get five full-size beauty products in this box. You can decide to skip a month if you'd like. You're not obligated to receive the box or pay for the box every single month. So this is Boxycharm, and I'm about to unveil the 5 products that are in the August 2020 base box. Ooh, looky, 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 looky. Okay, so here's this month's box. We've got the beautiful postcard inside. And on the back, it shows all of the products included in this box. We're gonna go over it here real quick. All right, so this month we have Princey Boy, Morphe Eye Got this 4-piece eye brush collection. Look at this, we've got eye brushes. Okay, so, oh, these babes, just the 4 natural and synthetic eye brushes. You need to pull off all the gorgeous looks. Go on and give them a sweep. Sweep those eyes, babies. Okay, so you get an oval shadow brush, a pro firm blending crease brush, tapered mini blender brush, and an angle liner brush. This retails for $12. So boom, look at those eye brushes. You can never have enough brushes, right? Right? What do you know about brushes? Eye brushes, baby boy. Okay, next up we have Trestique, a matte for every mood. What is this? Look at that. Looks like we can get our different lip crayons to match every one of your moods. So this is $58. This thing is $58. OMG. Okay, so inside there are 6 different colors. A matte lip crayon. I've never used a crayon before on my lips. Maybe when I was like 6 or 7, and maybe I chewed on a crayon or something. So here are the different colors. This one is a bright berry, Barcelona bright berry. See that color? That's cool. Very cool. And also a chili red. Belize Bordeaux, Tuscan wine, Florence fig, Nantucket nude. Oh, I like nude colors, but I also like red. I think red looks fabulous on everybody. Isn't that cool? So $58 for this. Cha-ching! And what did I say we pay a month for this? $25. So well over the value right here with just this. Awesome. Okay, next up we have Violet Voss Essentials 2 Pro Series Eyeshadow Palette. OMG. $36 for this one, you guys. Okay, let's take a look at this. 10 eye colors in this one. Let's open it. You just want to help me, don't you? You're so curious. So curious. Okay, so here's this. Open it up. Ooh, look at those pretty colors. To be honest, I'm not a big purple eyeshadow wearer, but I could really use those that whole top row is looking pretty fabulous right now. And I've got the eye brushes to go with it. So there we go. That is awesome. So that one is $36 value on that. So there's 3 products. We got 2 more to go. Here we go. We've got the QMS Active Glow Tinted Day Cream. So what is this for? Let's take a look. Day cream. Does that mean it's like a moisturizer or what? Okay, it says, oh my gosh, you guys. This is QMS Medicosmetics Active Glow Tinted Day Cream. It's a lightweight sheer color adaptive cream with vitamins. Helps to blur imperfections to reveal visibly glowing, even skin. It's a perfecting light tint and hydrating formula. Makes this an ideal day cream. Do you know how much this is, you guys? $105. $105. Is this like gold in here or what? Like seriously, this is a 50 mLs, 1.69 US fluid ounces. In this little thing is $105. $105. Okay then. Wow. Okay, we have one more product left to reveal, and it is a smaller one. This is called Rockins Cosmetics Big Fat Liner. Always start your eye look with a big fat liner, and you can be as bold as you want. Be as bold as you want. Depending on the day, depending on the night, you don't know how bold you want to be. Get creative and experiment with different shapes. This is a $25 value right here. So you guys, do the math on that. $105, $36, $58, $12, $25. All of that in this Boxycharm box for August 2020. This is the base box, mind you. $25 for the month and all of this value. They stepped up their game this time around, you guys. This is freaking amazing. So if you're interested in checking out Boxycharm for yourself, I will leave a link in the description along with links to all of these amazing products, and you can check it out for yourself. Boxycharm base box, August 2020. This is legit. This is freaking legit, you guys. I'm really surprised, like really surprised. So I'm happy with it. Big thumbs up.
A few moments later.
If you guys like what you see in the video, please be sure to give me a big old like, leave me a comment, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And one more thing, if you want to ring that belly bell, you can be notified of the new videos that come out on my channel weekly. So thank you all for watching, and we will see you again real soon. Bye. Say bye. Say bye.